Hi, I'm Michelle Giordano with the Weininger Group. I am here at this incredible estate in Basking Ridge, New Jersey to give you a personal tour of this very special home. This beautiful 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath custom-built home will wow you at every turn with its beautiful views and gracious spaces. Here are the top 4 reasons why I love this home and why you should come see it in person. Number 1, backyard oasis. Step outside into your own personal paradise that spans 19.96 acres. A combination of beautifully landscaped property and the private wooded backdrop of highly sought-after Basking Ridge. Unwind from your busy day while sitting on your screened-in porch enjoying the peace and quiet that your beautiful property affords you. Number 2, warm and inviting. Can you picture yourself quietly reading a book in your beautiful custom library? Or enjoying all of your favorite movies or sporting events in your very own media room? This home has it all. While in your kitchen, enjoy the open flow into your family room with a beautiful fireplace. Number 3, space. There are so many great spaces in this home to enjoy for living or entertaining. Upstairs, relax in the spacious master suite that includes a cozy sitting room with a fireplace, a huge master bath complete with an oversized 2-person shower, a separate office space, and its own balcony. The large great room is the perfect place to entertain your guests while gathering around your second fireplace. The finished walkout lower level is the perfect space for recreation or extended family to stay. Number 4, Basking Ridge. The town of Basking Ridge is a highly sought-after community. One of the major selling points of this town is its extraordinary school system. It continually ranks as one of the top school districts in the state. Another great perk of living in Basking Ridge is its easy access to New York City. This home is located just 4 miles from the Lyons train station. If you prefer to drive, you also have easy access to major highways. We can't forget about the quaint downtown with its wonderful restaurants and shops. You will certainly want to spend time exploring what this town has to offer. Don't you agree? This incredible home has so much to offer. Call me today to schedule your own private tour.